So just a quick video about my experience with pop-on veneers. I love these guys. As you can see, clearly got some serious dental problems. Runs in the family. My brothers had the same problem. My sister had the same problem. She was able to get the implants. I cannot afford the implants. So coincidentally, I was on Facebook one day, saw the advertisement. I was super skeptical because I had previously tried it with another company. That didn't work, they didn't fit, they didn't stay on. So anyway, I watched the advertisement. I decided I'm gonna take another chance, and sent in the money. Within, did follow the instructions, sent back the mold. Within probably a week, I received my new teeth. And so here we go. Super easy to put on. Fit perfectly. Just like that. Perfect smile. They stay on. They do not hurt the gums. They're not uncomfortable. They're perfect. So anyone who is considering this, I would highly recommend it. Thanks.